What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the yellow light on your PS4 controller. Okay, so for this method, make sure you have your USB cable, of course, and make sure you have another PS4 controller that you can use to connect. It's like, go get one of your friend's PS4 controllers and connect it so I can show you exactly how to do it. Once you have your friend's PS4 controller connected to your PS4, what you want to do is you want to get the USB cable right now, and you want to go ahead and plug that in into your PS4. This is so. Alright, just have that plugged in. Alright, so now what you want to do, you want to go over to your TV, and you want to make sure the PS4 is already on, make sure it's on. You want to go under device, well go back, alright, go under settings, and go down to devices, and go to Bluetooth devices. Just let it stay right there. And now you want to come back over to your PS4 controller. You want to get it, alright? So once you have your PS4 controller, set this right here, alright? You want to find the PS home. You want to find the PS button and find the share button. This should be on the left side of your PS4 at the top. You want to hold those two together, press them at the same time together, and don't let go until you see a blinking light on your PS4 controller. So let's hold it. Just as so. All right. There you go. All right. So once you get that blink, now what you want to do? Pay attention closely now. You want to get your You want to get your cable that you plugged into your PS4. You want to go ahead and plug the cable into the PS4 controller that does not work correctly. All right, plug that in. All right, now what you want to do, you want to press the PS button on your PS4 controller. Just press it. Just keep pressing it. All right, and look, you should get that, and it should come up correctly, so your PS4 should work correctly. But if this does not work every time you log into your PS4 and it does not work correctly, just come back to this method and redo it, because I'm telling you, it will work correctly. I hope this video helped you guys out, and if it did, go ahead and share it with your friends so they can fix their PS4 controller, and just ask one of your friends to borrow their PS4 controller just so you can connect yours, and you'll be good for the next whenever. Yeah. Guys, please do not forget to turn on that post notification bell, because I'll be uploading content weekly on this channel that can help you in your daily life. And yeah, we'll be back to show you how.